Every Italian family has their own set of recipes for the Feast of the Seven Fishes on Christmas Eve. For mine, it's this calamari and shrimp spaghetti with a rich tomato sauce that's always the main attraction. Let's begin by roughly chopping a couple scallions into 2-inch long pieces, which pair better with seafood sauces than regular onion. Then smash and mince a few cloves of garlic. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat up about a fourth cup of olive oil on medium-low heat. Toss in the scallions and let them sauté for about 2 minutes or until they start to break apart. Drop in the garlic along with about a quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Stir that around, allowing it to fry and get fragrant for about a minute. And you can also toss in a pinch of salt. Turn the heat down to low, and now it's time for the tomatoes. You can use what you prefer, but for this one, I like 1 large can of crushed tomatoes along with 1 small can of tomato puree. Add about a fourth cup of water back to one of the cans and pour that in as well. Then a big pinch of salt before giving it a good mix. Keep the sauce on low heat and bring it to a simmer before covering partially with the lid. We want it to thicken and become very flavorful, so it's going to simmer for about 45 minutes. In the meantime, there's not much to do, but you can mince about a fourth cup of fresh Italian parsley and make sure your seafood is cleaned and rinsed, and slice 6 ounces of calamari bodies into about half-inch rings. Once the sauce has reduced, give it a taste and adjust for salt if needed. With the heat still on low, drop in the calamari along with a half pound of medium-sized peeled and deveined shrimp. Give it a stir and let the seafood cook for about 8 minutes. And this is the perfect time to salt your pot of boiling water and drop in your spaghetti. You might have more sauce than what you need for the pasta, so just make the amount based off of how many people you're serving. After about 4 minutes, give the seafood a stir to make sure it's all cooking evenly, and you'll notice the calamari is going to shrink a good amount. And then finish with a small handful of the minced parsley, which gives this dish its signature flavor and color. After the 8-minute mark, both the calamari and shrimp should be perfectly tender and fully cooked through. You can take the sauce off the burner and put a few ladles of it into a large sauté pan, leaving the seafood behind. Once the spaghetti is al dente, add it directly to the pan on low heat to finish the cooking process. Mix and toss for 1 to 2 minutes until the pasta is nicely coated and cooked to your liking. Pile the pasta onto a plate right away, and now finish with the shrimp, calamari, and some extra sauce. Garnish with a drizzle of olive oil and more parsley before enjoying this taste of Italian Christmas.